In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate Gohighlevel into any language. If you want to make your Gohighlevel dashboard easier to use in your preferred language, the good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to apply the change so the platform updates right away. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into the correct account or location where you want to change the language. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for different areas of your account. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your account and business-related preferences. After that, make sure you're on the Business Profile Settings page. This is the section where Gohighlevel stores important details related to your workspace, including the platform language option. Once you're on the Business Profile Settings screen, look for the field labeled Platform Language. This is the setting that controls the display language of the Gohighlevel interface. If you don't see it immediately, just take a second to scan the page carefully, since it may appear among several other profile and account settings. When you find platform language, click on the drop-down menu next to it. This will open the list of available languages you can choose from. Go ahead and select whichever language you want to use. Take your time here and make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you're setting this up for daily use or for another team member. After selecting your language, click Update to save the change. This part is important because the new language won't apply until you confirm the update. As soon as you click Update, the language will be changed instantly. That means the platform should refresh or display the new language right away without requiring any complicated extra setup. And that's it, you've successfully changed Gohighlevel into the language of your choice. If something doesn't appear to update immediately, it can help to refresh the page and verify that the selected language was saved correctly. But in most cases, the update happens instantly. This is a quick but useful customization, especially if you want a more comfortable experience navigating the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.